Film Producer of the Year Award, Marcos Malmay. Mayor Marcos Malmay of Mumbai, Manal del Norte ventured into the film industry as a producer, aiming to inspire others through his life story and promote Mindanao's rich cultural heritage. The production also highlights the natural beauty of Manila, showcasing attractions like Lumunan Lake. Through his company, Malmay Productions, he is committed to producing films that reflect the stories and talents of Mindanao. He envisions the region's film industry standing alongside those in Metro Manila, fostering a vibrant cinematic landscape in the region. Film Producer of the Year awarded Honorable Marcos Malmay.
Congratulations!
Good evening once again. This is in addition to this particular year, we have received the Presidency Award. So this recognition is not mine alone. It belongs to the directors, writers, actors, production teams, and the media community who have worked tirelessly to ensure that every film, every message, and every story reaches the hearts of the people. It belongs to every journalist and advocate who continues to champion truth despite the challenges of our times. Let this recognition remind us all that cinema and media are not just for entertainment. They are powerful tools for education, unity, and transformation. And as long as I have the privilege to serve, whether in public office or in the world of film and media, I will remain committed to being a bridge between governance and creativity, between tradition and innovation, and between truth and progress.
Congratulations, Honorable Marcos Malmay.